Welcome back, students. Today we are going to do our topic factorization of quadratic polynomials by splitting of middle term. Students, let's understand this topic with the help of this simple example. Look at this question. This is a simple quadratic polynomial. First step of this question is find out the middle term, that is 9x. Now split this 9x into two factors in such a way so that its sum of these two factors should be equal to 9x and product of these two factors should be equal to product of first term and third term of the given quadratic polynomial. Here, in given quadratic polynomial, first term is 2x square and third term is 10. So when we will multiply this, it becomes 20x square. So we have to find out two factors whose sum should be 9x and product should be 20x square. Now, if I will take P 5x and Q 4x, will it fulfill our conditions? Look at here. If I will add it, it will give 9x, and if I will do multiplication, it's equal to 20x square. Both condition these two factors can fulfill. Now, come back to the questions and write this 5x like this. Now in next step, grouping the terms, first two terms, last two terms. Now find out what common factors you can find out these first two terms, that is 2x. Here will come x plus 2. From last two terms I can take common 5. Then inside x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is common in both terms. Then I will take it out. But left inside 2x plus 5. These are two factors of this quadratic polynomial. Let's take the another simple example. First step is write middle term in your rough work. Then choose two factors of 8x so that its sum should be equal to 8x and product should be equal to product of first and last term, that is 16x square here. So if I will take 4x and 4x, look at the sum. It will be equal to 8x and product will be equal to 16x square. So these two factors are perfect. So put here x square plus 4x plus 4x and plus 16. Now make groups of first two terms and last two terms. Now remember what is the next step? Yes, you have to take common from these. So x is common in first two terms. I took x common, and in last two terms there is 4 common. So x plus 4. Now x plus 4 and x plus 4, these are common. So x plus 4 I can take it out, and inside also x plus 4 is left. These two factors are of this given quadratic polynomial. Let's check with this example. This is little bit different from the previous two examples in which there is a negative sign in between these two terms. Now, method is same. Just write this middle term with its negative sign. Now, try to split it into two factors whose sum should be equal to minus 21 and product should be equal to product of first and last term. So it will be 1110 x square. Think about the factors of 1110 to whom you will add to get minus 21. You can think about 10 and 11. If you will multiply it, you will get 1110. But if you will add it, you will get 21. But here I want minus 21. So I need to put negative sign in front of it, so that when I will add these two negative sign, what I will get? I will get here minus 21 answer. The basic of integers, isn't it? Now put here x square minus 10x minus 11x plus 1110. Again method is same. Make two groups. Take care of negative signs. Now take x common. X minus 10. Take minus 11 common. It will be x minus 10. Here I took minus 11 as a common. So here I need to keep a negative sign because when I will open it become positive. Now x minus 10 and x minus 10 is common in these two terms. I can take it out and what left inside, that is x minus 11. Is it simple? Okay. Let's do some another examples. In this examples, there are two negative signs. Method is again same. We have to write middle term. Try to split it into two factors where sum of these two factors should be equal to minus 3x. Product of these two factors should be product of first term and last term. In negative terms, you need to take care of negative sign also. You have to consider with them. Now think about the factors of 10. If we add them, it should give minus 3. And if we will multiply it, it should give you minus 10. So 2 and minus 5. 2 plus minus 5 gives us minus 3, and if we multiply it, it will give us minus 10. So these two factors are perfect for our quadratic equation. So we will put here, it will give you here, you can write plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. Now again that same step, make groups x plus 2, then minus, there will be x plus 2. Why plus sign? Because when we will multiply with this negative sign, it becomes negative. Now x plus 2 is common in these two terms, so I can take it out, and inside x minus 5 is left. So we got these two factors of this quadratic polynomial. Is it simple? Let's do one more example. In this question again, write middle term. Try to split it into two factors whose sum should be 7x square and product should be equal to minus 8x square. Don't get confused after saying 2 here. Your just method is same. Again, first and last term multiplication is minus 8x square. Now we have to find out the factors. Now, what about 8 and 1? If I will take 8 and minus 1, it will give some 7. If I will multiply 8 with minus 1, it will give us minus 8. So, is this perfect for this? Yes. Then 2x square plus 8x minus x, you can write 1x also, minus 4. Now, again that same thing, make groups. Here I can take 2x as a common. So it is x plus 4. Here both are of negative sign. I can take minus as a common and inside what left? X plus 4. Now x plus 4 is common. X plus 4, then 2x minus 1. Hope you understood this topic well. There are 2 questions for your self-practice. Hope you will try to attempt after watching this video.